what a beautiful night it is. My house is so beautiful with these lights. Nice table. But you know what? I'm missing one thing. The power of the stick. And you know who has it? Shazam! Shazam has the power of the stick. I will get my hands on that stick and that Shazam. I bet you I will. Because they call me Dr. Savanna. I will get that power and I will destroy Shazam! Let's do this.
Can't believe the master gave me the power of the stick. This is a great accomplishment, especially for me. Oh, I know, I should call Freddy about this. Oh, he's on the phone right now, actually. Hey, Freddy.
Hello. What's up? What's going on, man?
Freddy, you're not gonna believe it.
What's going on, man?
The master gave me the power of the stick.
Master give you the power of what?
The power of the stick.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
I am dead serious, sir.
Holy, you have to use that wisely. I wish I had that, man.
Let me see, Oh yeah! This is gonna do. Oh sweet! I'm gonna show you when I get home.
Alright,
I'm on my way now, Freddy.
sounds good.
Wow, these beautiful trees with these beautiful grape leaves that I've been growing. It's really nice. I love it. I just love it.
Give me a hand on the power of the sticks.
The power
Not
of the
even,
stick. Yeah, I need that.
Dr. Savanna?
What? Who said my name? Shazam! What are you doing in my backyard?
I didn't have to let you go,
Oh yes, he will let you go.
and you hung up on me.
Good for you. What are you doing in my backyard?
What are you even doing here? Is the real
I
question.
live here.
Since when?
Couple years. Why are you asking so many questions, huh? What's that in your hand? The power of the stick! Give it to me!
You're not gonna get it.
Why not?
You don't deserve it.
I don't deserve it. Really?
The master gave it to me.
The master? I destroyed the master.
You listen to me.
I listen to you. What do you want me to, what is it?
The power of the stick belongs to me. You are not getting it.
It belongs to me, kid! It always did!
And what cost, sir? What?
And what cost?
What'd you do? Wait, no. No.
I got the power. Feels good.
Shazam! Yeah, there we go. Wait. My light's not glowing.
Please, you know why?
Why?
I got the light. It's right here!
How'd you figure it out?
Because I stole the light from your suit. It's right in here. See this? Shazam? This is the power of the stick. Not you!
You know, I may not have my light working, but I still have my iron fist ready to punch you.
Oh, you do? Let's see. Come on, give me your best shot. Is that all you got? Is that all you got, kid? Really? Give me your best shot.
Stop that.
Oh, you want to stop that, huh? Oh, no! The power! Give me the stick!
Joke's on you, Savanna. My suit makes me able to resist your spells.
Never!
That just being mean, Savanna.
Mean! You took my stick!
That doesn't belong to you.
power of the stick.
Sure thing, sir.
Oh! You're a smart boy.
Goodbye now.
That kid, he's very smart. That boy is smart. But soon I'll get that stick, that power of the stick. What? The freaking sirens! They found me. Oh, no! Shazam! I gotta go.
Yeah, I hear you, misdemeanor doctor. So glad he didn't get the power of the stick. It does not belong to him. It belongs to me. Now to show Freddy and the other people my accomplishment. Shazam!